Okay, let's see if we can get this
You're
out.
throwing down a 1.3 on the TPS.
Okay, fire it up. So we got 10 pounds, 10 to 11 pounds of booze, 55 pounds of fuel pressure, kicking in at 27.
You got shit rattling everywhere.
Yeah, that's all gonna have to be tightened down.
Okay. Well, this guy's a nylon. I mean, he's.